We'll be working on installing the front number plate. Before that, I want to remove the front upper fender, just like the way how the normal the regular fenders are. So I'll be uninstalling this. Thanks to Binil. So based on his feedback, if you remove this, there is T-stem cone set which might be exposed, so make sure that's been covered. So once the number plate is been installed, what we'll do is we'll work on the T-stem so we can close it up, so none of the water or debris can go in, so whatever comes in just fades away. Upper mudguard is holded by 4 mm 4 bolts, so if you remove that, you have access to the T-stem. I just removed the bracket, the number plate bracket, as well as the headlight. It's a straightforward installation, just have to measure and install the mate nut and bolts. So I'm just installing it back. It, you'll be installing it over here. What I've done right now is used the puncture patch or the tire patch along with uh, rubberized glue so it doesn't come out. Along with this, what I'm going to do is the TVS mud flap will be covering this as well. Adding 2 more zip ties just to be sure if all are in place. That's how it looks after installation, guys.